Today we are here at King Greenleaf to focus on an issue that affects every neighborhood in every part of our city, and that is pedestrian safety. And one way we're doing this is with the installation of high visibility crosswalks, and by installing these crosswalk ladders wherever new crosswalk markings are needed.
Another paving season is here, and thanks to the support and leadership of the mayor and the support of the council, we have the resources to make improvements to our roads, sidewalks, and alleys in all 8 wards of our city. Construction is already underway, and we fully expect to deliver a record amount of work this year.
Studies show that high visibility crosswalk markings in some cases slow drivers down up to 30 or 40% and reduce collisions with pedestrians.
Man, it's hot and it's very hot stuff. Okay. We close it off.